irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable
Ang
De Lima, I would have to
sistematikong
stop
paraan.
you.
This is out of
I would have
line.
to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
My
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
No, Madam Witness, kailan po inilagay ang markang to kung alam po ninyo?
Nung araw po ng encashment po niya.
Okay.
So mga kababayan, page trending here. Dito sa video natin ngayon ay ating panoorin itong day 10 ng impeachment trial kay VP Sara, no? Na ngayong araw mga kababayan, sumipot nga itong si Miss Violeta Constantino na dating Land Bank Shaw Boulevard Branch Manager, no? Nagaling sa kanyang mga kababayan na siya ang nag-oversee, no? Sa pag-encashment dito sa issue nga ng 125 milyong halaga ng tseke na nakapangalan sa OVP. Pero bago ang lahat mga kababayan, huwag niyo po sana kalimutang mag-like at subscribe para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw. At yun na nga no, mga kababayan, bago ang lahat ating pasadahan muna itong mabilisang video ni Senator Marcoleta na kung saan nagbigay siya ng pahayag patungkol sa nangyayaring impeachment kay VP Sara at ang di pagbigyang pansin sa flood control corruption.
Siyempre malungkot, di ba? Hindi naman normal yung nangyari sa amin. Ako bilang isang senador na maraming gagampanan na tungkulin. Ang dami kong gustong ibulgar. Alam niyo naman na ayokong iwanan yung flood control scandal. At meron pang impeachment trial na nagaganap. So hindi nyo maaalis sa akin na maisip ko talaga na itong nangyari sa akin, lalo na. Kaya nga ako, alam ko, pre-marking ngayon, hindi naman kami kailangan pumunta. Itong tatlo, nandun na sa bus. Parang sila, nirequire. Pagkatapos pinalikan ako, sabi ko, nakita nyo naman, nandun lang kami. Hindi man kami tatanungin. Sana nakatipid tayo ng gasolina. Diba?
Sir, so far po, kamusta po kayo ngayon, sir, na gumugulong na po yung process po dito sa Sandigan Bayan regarding nga dito po sa ina-allege sa inyo?
Ako sasagot. Doon sa kwarto niya, napakainit. And,
tinatanong niya yung...
dito?
Ito.
Ay, hindi, sitwasyon mo niya sa kwarto niya. Mainit yung kwarto niya. And kung nga nagulat, si Manny Bunuan, nandun pa rin sa ospital, 2 buwan, sa 1 linggo lang. And siyempre, senador naman si Senador Marcoleta, parang masyadong deprived ang taong bayan doon sa boses niya, lalo doon sa impeachment process.
Hindi ako nalulungkot na kalagayan namin ay ganito. Kung makikita niyo yung suit namin, nakalagay PDL, alam na ninyo ibig sabihin ito. People deprived of liberty.
Persons deprived of
Persons deprived of liberty. Siyempre malungkot, di ba? Hindi naman normal yung nangyari sa amin. Ako bilang isang senador na maraming gagampanan na tungkulin. Ang dami kong gustong ibulgar. Alam niyo naman na ayokong iwanan yung flood control scandal. At meron pang impeachment trial na nagaganap. So hindi nyo maaalis sa akin na maisip ko talaga na itong nangyari sa akin, lalo na was politically motivated. Ang katuwiran ay 2 bagay para hindi ko na gampanan ng tungkulin ko para malaman ng taong bayan kung sino ba talaga. Siyempre malungkot, di ba?
At yun na nga no mga kababayan, narinig natin si Senator Marcoleta. Hindi ko na pahabain pa, heto na ang buong video.
Of the panel of prosecutors is recognized to call their first witness to the stand.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, same appearance for the prosecution. Your Honor, may we be given 5-minute opening statement? May we request Representative Laila De Lima to be recognized by the Chair, Your Honor?
The Chair would like to remind the Honorable De Lima, if indeed she will make an opening statement, to kindly avoid conclusions of both fact and law, as we have previously agreed upon and raised by the defense in previous hearings. and as pointed out by several Senator judges. With that conditionality, the Honorable De Lima may proceed with her opening statement.
Your Honor, may we comment on that matter?
Yes, what is the pleasure of Attorney Poe?
Your Honor, I'd like to apologize for having to comment on this matter, but as far as I recall, the presiding officer already made a ruling before against opening statements, Your Honors.
Again, I will be very conscious, Honorable De Lima, with respect to statements of fact and law that are not coming out from the mouth of any witnesses you will be presenting. So kindly be precise and short with respect to your opening statements. You may proceed, ma'am, subject to those reminders.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is about 5 minutes or a little more than 5 minutes. Mr. Senate President, Mr. Presiding Officer, Honorable Senator Judges, mga kababayan, magandang umaga po. Sa ating pagbabudget para sa pamilya, dahil hindi naman unli ang pera, masinop ang ating paggasta sa talagang kailangan at kapakipakinabang natin nilalaan. Ganyan din dapat sa pondo ng bayan. Sa yugtong ito ng paglilitis, pag-uusapan natin ang confidential funds. Ito ang budget para sa mga sensitibo at surveillance-related activities upang suportahan ang mandato ng mga civilian agencies. That a budget is intended for confidential operations does not mean that the conduct of the officials involved in the handling of people's money is exempted from the demands of transparency, scrutiny, and accountability. Public office is a public trust. Yan ang sabi ng konstitusyon. Sakop nito ang lahat na nasa gobyerno. At ang utos na yan ay hindi pwedeng balewalain dahil confidential lang o confidential ang pondo. Ang confidentiality ay para protektahan ang lehitimong operasyon at informant. Hindi ito pahintulot para mag-imbento ng pangalan at dokumento. Hindi ito palusot para ibulsa ang pera. Kung confidential ang pondo, lalo pa ngang mataas ang pananagutang kaakibat nito. The Constitution entrusts this court with the solemn duty to determine whether the respondent vice president committed culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. Evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption
Your Honors,
and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission
I
of
apologize
the Honorable De Lima, yes, counsel for
Your
respondent.
Honors, again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima
another-
to kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
a few seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Correct.
Honorable De
Again,
Lima,
with all due
kindly
respect,
wind
Your
up.
Honor.
Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because this is
Yes, but
supposed to be an
again,
overview
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
I submit to your honors, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer sira sa accountability o
Same objection, Your
sumusuway sa
Honor.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makitang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable
Ang
De Lima, I would
sistematikong
have to
paraan.
stop
Honor, this
you.
is out of
I would have
line.
to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
My
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Kindly call your witness, Representative Chua.
Kawawa naman si De Lima. Di nabigyan ng plataforma. Baka sabihin niya na naman, bias na naman.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we are going to present our first witness in the person of Ms. Violeta Constantino.
The clerk of court, through the sergeant at arms, is instructed to situate Ms. Violeta Constantino to the witness stand. Kindly remain standing, ma'am. Clerk of court is directed to administer the oath to the witness.
Please raise your right hand, ma'am. You, Violeta Constantino, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing.
Thank Offering the testimony of Ms. Violeta Constantino to prove the following. Una, na si Ms. Constantino ay isang retiradong Department Manager ng Land Bank of the Philippines, Show Boulevard Branch from May 2017 to January 2024. Pangalawa, na ang Land Bank of the Philippines, Show Boulevard Branch, ang nagproseso ng encashment ng 4 na cheque payable sa isang Gina F. Acosta sa halagang 125 million each sa mga sumusunod na cheque. Una, Land Bank check number million each sa mga sumusunod na cheque. Una, Land Bank check number 0000244027
Nagka-audio problem sila mga kababayan.
na may petsang December 20, 2022. Ikalawa, Land Bank check number 00244053 na may petsang January 31, 2023. Ikatlo, Land Bank check number 0000245511 na may petsang April 18, 2023. At ikaapat, Land Bank check number 0000245664 na may petsang July 13, 2023.
Pinunduhan ng Philippine
Katlo,
Treasury at nilipat
na ang mga nasabing cheque
ng Office
ay
of
lahat
the Vice
pinondohan ng Philippine Treasury.
Kaapat,
Yan,
Ang
maayos
apat
na mga
na
kababayan.
nasabing cheque
Ang audio nila.
ay personal na inengcash ng isang Miss Gina F. Acosta bilang SDO o Special Disbursing Officer
ng Office of the Vice President noong December 20, 2022, February 6, 2023, April 25, 2023, at July 14, 2023. Ikalima, bilang Department Manager ng Land Bank, Show Boulevard Branch, si Ms. Constantino ay personal na nakasaksi at nag-oversee ng pag-encash at pagtanggap ng pera mula sa tseke ni Ms. Acosta. At ipanghuli, kaanim, iba pang mga bagay-bagay na may kinalaman dito sa impeachment case in relation to Article 1 on confidential funds and in relation to the aforementioned purposes, Your Honor.
The Honorable Chua,
For comment, Your Honor.
Before the comment, what is the third purpose for the offer again?
Your Honor, that all were funded by the Philippine Treasury and drawn against the account of the Office of the Vice President.
Thank you. Comment from the Council for Respondents?
Subject to cross, Your Honor.
May we proceed now, Your Honor?
You may proceed when you're ready.
Okay. The witness. Handa na po ba kayo? Na-swear na ba? Na-swear na? Okay. Madam Witness, para lang tayo nag-uusap, kaya relax lang po kayo. Bilang preliminary matters, Madam Witness, pwede po ba kami po ay interesado? Ano po ang inyong pangalan at iba pang mga personal na detalye?
Ako po si Violeta Constantino, a retired employee of the Land Bank of the Philippines.
Okay. Sabi po ninyo, kayo ay retired employee ng Land Bank of the Philippines. Madam Witness, gaano po kayo katagal na nagtrabaho sa Land Bank of the Philippines bilang isang empleyado?
Nagtrabaho po ako sa Land Bank for 32 years na po.
Okay. So, bago po ang inyong retirement, ano po ang inyong naging posisyon sa Land Bank kung meron man?
Ako po ang Department Manager po sa Land Bank Show Boulevard Branch.
Okay. Sabi ninyo, kayo ay isang Department Manager ng Land Bank Show Boulevard. Madam Witness, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng Department Manager?
Ang Department Manager po ay kagaya rin po ito ng isang branch manager ng isang bangko po.
Okay. So parang branch manager din po. Ngayon, bilang Department Manager, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, ano po ba ang inyong functions and responsibilities?
Ang main function ko po as a branch manager, ako po ang nag-oversee sa lahat ng transactions po ng branch, particularly po sa opening ng accounts, deposits, encashments, withdrawals. Kasama na rin po dito yung pagmamarketing po and other administrative functions.
Okay. Now, kanina, Madam Witness, sabi mo, kayo ay Department Manager sa Show Boulevard Branch. Now, ang tanong ko po, kailan po kayo nagsimula maging Department Manager ng Show Boulevard Branch? Kailan hanggang kailan po? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Nag-start po ako sa Land Bank Show Boulevard Branch noong May 2017 until po nung mag-retire ako ng January 2024.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, nandirito po ngayon kayo sa impeachment court. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, bakit po kayo nandirito ngayong araw na to dito sa impeachment court kung alam po ninyo?
Nandito po ako sa araw na ito dahil po naka-receive po ako ng subpoena from the Honorable Impeachment Court to testify po yung knowledge ko regarding po doon sa impeachment trial po ngayon ni BP Sara Duterte.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ano naman po ang kinalaman ninyo sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte kung meron man po?
Tungkol po ito sa 4 na cheque po ng OVP na in-encash po sa Land Bank Show Boulevard nung ako po ay branch manager.
Okay. Ngayon, binanggit po ninyo 4 na cheque. Ano po itong 4 na cheque ang binabanggit po ninyo?
Yung 4 na cheque po ito ay nakapangalan po kay Miss Gina F. Acosta na may amount pong 125 million each.
Okay. Madam Witness, bakit naman po kayo pamilyar dito po sa 4 na cheque na binabanggit po ninyo?
Familiar po ako dito kasi ako po yung nag-oversee ng encashment na to nung ako po ay branch manager po ng Show Boulevard branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kung ipakikita po sa inyo itong 4 na cheque na iningcash po ninyo sa Show Boulevard branch, pag ipakikita po ito sa inyo, itong kopyang ito, ma-identify po ba ninyo ito?
Opo.
Okay. Madam Witness,
Your Honor.
Yes, Counsel for Respondent,
Just
Attorney Paul.
to, if
What is your
counsel
pleasure?
is okay with, just to expedite the proceedings, Your Honor, we are willing to stipulate that the witness has the ability to identify these checks.
okay.
Has the ability to identify the checks.
And we are also not questioning the authenticity of such checks, Your Honor.
For the reference of the senator judges, you're referring, Attorney Poa, to the 4 checks which are common exhibits of both parties.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Can we, just to confirm, Clerk of Court is directed to kindly show on the screen the checks being stipulated to and admitted by the respondent. It should be exhibit P128 to P128A1 for the prosecution and exhibit D1130 and D1130 OVP1. Is that it?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So this is one of the checks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly also show the other exhibits that the respondent is stipulating to so that the senator judges can catch up. Given that the respondent is stipulated to the aforementioned checks for 125 million each, dated December 20, 2022, January 31, 2023, April 18, 2023, and July 13, 2023, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Will you also stipulate, Counsel for Respondent, that these checks were encashed as well?
Yes, Your Honor. And that these checks were from the Treasury of the Philippines, and the payee was Gina Acosta, Your Honor.
So that these checks are authentic, that these checks were encashed by Gina Acosta, that these checks cover the face value of 125 million each, encashed on the dates mentioned by the respondent, and that it was encashed by Gina Acosta
As SDO, Your Honor. Yes.
as SDO. Given that the counsel for respondent has stipulated and so admitted these facts, counsel from the panel of prosecutors, kindly proceed with the other items given the stipulation by the counsel for respondent. There's no need for
Thank
this
you, Your
witness to
Honor.
testify in these matters anymore. Thank you, counsel
Okay,
for
thank you, Your
respondent.
Honor. Your Honor, Madam Witness, dahil po yung harap ng cheque ay inadmit na po ng ating defense, pupunta po tayo dun sa baba. Meron po ako nakikita dito sa screen na image na nakalagay po sa baba at ito po ay asan din naman natin? Ito po ay nakamarka bilang exhibit P-Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Madam Witness, ano po itong imahe na nakikita po natin sa baba? Kung alam po ninyo.
Sir, pwede po ba akong makahingi ng copy?
Please.
Medyo
Your
malayo.
Honor, may we request...
Assisting counsel
may-
is authorized to approach the witness as well as assisting counsel from the respondent.
Okay, Your Honor, my assisting counsel, Attorney Cristina Pasicolan, will approach the witness, Your Honor.
The clerk is instructed to kindly magnify the sub-marking being alluded to by the counsel from the panel of prosecutors.
Yung nasa baba po, na may marka po na binanggit ko pong exhibit.
Pakiulit po, please.
Dito po sa cheque, dito po sa screen natin, meron pong imahe. At meron po ditong nakamarkang Exhibit P-1, Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Ano po itong imahe na to, kung alam po ninyo?
Yung po bang certified true copy po?
Huwag po kayong tumingin dito sa screen. Diyan po sa, yung imahe po, yan po.
Doon po sa isang malaking box.
Yung malaki. Ano po yan?
Ito po yung mga pirma po ng mga empleyado ko po noong time na na-encash po yung check.
Okay, nasaan po yan? Saan bahagi po ng cheque yan?
Doon po sa 3 boxes. So, yung
Madam Witness, pwede pong pakilapit po yung inyong... pakilapit po sa mic, yung para marinig po tayo. Yan.
Okay.
Yan pong imahe dyan po, sa baba po ng, di ba, yung taas po, yan po yung harap ng cheque. Ano po yung imahe na nasa baba? Ano po yan?
Bali po, ito po yung signature verified by po ang nakalagay. Pirma po ito ng aming verifier.
Okay, saan po nakalagay yan? Sa may?
Sa upper ano po.
Sa
Yung
dorsal?
pong-
Sa
likod
dorsal
po ng
side ng cheque. Okay.
Opo.
Now,
Yung una
Madam
pong
Witness, dito po sa box na to, mayroon ditong 3 maliliit na box. Pwede po bang mai-request yung box na to na medyo palakihan at i-zoom po? I-zoom po, papalapit. Yan. Pwede po bang pataas? Pataas, paharap. Pa-rotate po, paki-rotate po, paki-rotate. Medyo mahirap pong tignan. Pwede po bang paki-rotate sa tech? Hindi pwede? Ay, hindi pwede. Okay. Madam Witness, hindi daw po pwede. Now, Madam Witness, dito po, ayun. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, dito po sa box na malaking to, meron po ditong 3 box na napansin ko. Doon po sa bandang kaliwa, na unang box, may nakalagay po dito, signature verified by. At sa baba po nito, meron pong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kaninong pirma po to kung alam po ninyo?
Ang pirma pong ito ay kay verifier po ng branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pag pumirma ang verifier dito sa box na to, sa signature verified by, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng signature ng verifier ay na-verify niya po yung identity ng payee base po sa kanyang IDs na presinta. At the same time po, na-check niya rin po sa system na ito po ay may advice na galing po sa Office of the Vice President na pwede na pong i-release.
Okay. Now, pupunta po tayo sa susunod na box na may nakalagay po ditong posted by. At meron din po ditong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kaninong pirma po itong nakalagay sa posted by? Kung alam po ninyo.
Ang nakapirma po sa posted by ay kay Teller po.
Okay. So, Madam Witness, pag pumirma ang isang teller dito sa box na to kung saan nakalagay ay posted by, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng kanyang pirma? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Ang pirma po ni teller, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay na-encode na po niya sa system ang lahat po ng detalyado ng cheque.
Okay. Now, pupunta na po tayo sa ikatlong box na may nakalagay pong approve by at meron din po ditong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, kanino naman pong pirma ito kung kilala po ninyo?
Pirma po ito ng aming approver.
Okay. Pag pumirma po ang approver dito po sa box na to, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng kanyang pirma?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng pirma ng approver ay nakita niya po na ang proseso ng pag-verify po sa cheque ay dumaan po sa tamang proseso at ito po ay pwede na pong i-encash.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, bakit po kayo pamilyar dito sa tatlong pirma na binanggit po ninyo?
Sila po yung aking mga staff nung ako po ay nasa Land Bank Show Boulevard pa po. Ako po yung branch manager.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ang susunod ko pong tanong sa inyo, kailan po na-encash itong checking ito? Kung maalala po ninyo.
As shown po dito sa dokumento na to, ito po ay na-encash ng 20 December 2022.
Okay. Now, sabi po ninyo, as shown dito sa record. Ano po bang record ang binabanggit ninyo, Madam Witness?
Ito po yung validation ng teller na naka-appear po doon sa ilalim.
Now, Madam Witness, pwede po bang pakituro po sa amin, nasaan po dito sa parting to ng dorsal side
Ito
ng
po.
cheque, yung binabanggit po ninyo?
Nasa ibaba po, lower right portion.
Lower right portion.
Opo,
Pwede po bang paki-zoom para po mas malinaw at para po sa mas makita po natin ng maigi? Yan. Yan. Saan po dito? Ano pong nakalagay?
20 December, DEC 2022.
Yan. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kailan nilagay ang markang ito, kung alam po ninyo?
On time po ng encashment.
Okay. Now, pupunta na po tayo sa pangalawang dokumento, Madam Witness. Ito po ay yung check number 0000244053 na may petsang January 31, 2023 at payable sa again, Miss Gina F. Acosta for 125 million pesos. Now, Madam Witness, ano po ang relasyon ng checking ito sa mga checking binabanggit po ninyo kanina? Kung meron man po.
Yan pong cheque na yan ay isa po sa mga apat na cheque po na na-encash po ni Miss Gina F. Acosta nung ako po ang branch manager.
Okay. Madam Witness, hindi ko na po itatanong sa inyo yung taas dahil yung po ay inadmit na at instipulate na po natin. Pupunta po tayo doon sa lower portion kung saan may nakalagay na Exhibit P-Roman numeral 1-28-B-1. Now, Madam Witness, ano po itong imahe na minarkahan ng nasabing exhibit? Kung alam po ninyo.
Ito po yung likod ng cheque po.
Okay. Now, bakit po pa kayo pamilyar dito po sa checking ito, Madam Witness?
Ito po yung in-encash nga po nung ni Miss Gina Acosta nung time ko pong manager sa Land Bank Show.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta tayo dun sa malaking box. Pwede po bang paki-zoom in ulit yung malaking box? Pwede po paki-ipatatayo po. Yan. Now, Madam Witness, kagaya po ng naunang cheque, ito po ay may 3 boxes doon at nakapaloob po sa malaking box. Doon sa kaliwa, may nakalagay po dito, signature verified by at meron din pong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, kaninong pirma po to? Kung maalala po ninyo at kung kilala po ninyo.
Gaya po na sabi ko kanina, ang nakapirma po sa signature verified by ang verifier po ng branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, doon naman po sa gitna, meron din po ditong pirma na posted by. Kaninong pirma po to? Kung maalala po ninyo at kung kilala po ninyo.
Sa posted by po, si teller po.
Doon naman po sa parting nakalagay approved by. Kanino naman pong pirma ito kung alam po at kung kilala po ninyo?
Pirma po yung approver, akin po yung initial signature.
Pirma po ninyo. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, bakit po kayo pamilyar dun sa unang dalawang pirma na binabanggit po ninyo?
Mga staff ko po siya nung ako po ay branch manager po ng Show Boulevard branch.
Ang bobo talaga nitong si Jowa eh. Ulit-ulit na lang mga tanong. Parang grade 1 na retention lang ah.
At nawi-witness ko rin po yung mga pirma nila sa iba pang mga bank documents.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ito pong pangalawang cheque na nakikita po natin, kailan po ito in-encash kung maalala po ninyo?
As shown po dito sa dokumento, ito po ay na-encash noong 06 Feb 2023 po.
06 Feb 2023. Now, Madam Witness, nasaang parte dito po sa ligot yung inyong pinagbabasihan?
Nasa lower right po portion.
Lower right portion. Pwede po ba pakituro po ninyo specific? Saan po dyan na nakalagay?
Yun po, 06 Feb 2023.
06 Feb 2023. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kailan po inilagay ang markang to kung alam po ninyo?
Nung araw po ng encashment po niya.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta na po tayo sa ikatlong cheque.
With the permission of the Honorable Chua, Attorney Poa, is this part of what you stipulated or no? The verifier's signature, the teller's signature, the approver's signature, as well as the date of encashment.
To be candid, Your Honor, it wasn't part, but right now we are willing to stipulate the same. Your Honor.
So, if you're willing to stipulate, let the presiding officer state it for the record that the signature underneath the on the dorsal side of the check with number 000024, kindly show it to the screen, 245511 in the amount of 125 million pesos with the payee as Gina F. Acosta, dated April 18, 2023, that the signatures of the verifier, the teller, and the approver are all authentic and genuine, and that these were made in the course of their ordinary performance of duties. And the date of encashment is April 25, 2023, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And insofar as Land Bank check number 000024, kindly show it to the screen, 5664, payable to Gina F. Acosta in the amount of 125 million, dated July 13, 2023. The signature of the verifier, teller, and approver on the dorsal side are also all authentic and were signed in the course of the performance of their ordinary duties, and that the date of encashment is July 14, 2023, correct?
We stipulate, Your Honor.
So stipulated, counsel from the panel of prosecutors, the Honorable Chua, given the stipulation, these are now deemed admissions for the information of the senator judges, and no proof or testimony is necessary to be presented by the panel of prosecutors. You may proceed, Honorable Chua.
Okay, with that, Your Honor, we would like to manifest that and state for the record, Your Honor, that the dorsal portion of the said checks were marked, Your Honor, as our Exhibit P, Roman numeral 1-28-0